Hello everyone, welcome to Happy Learning Tutorials. Today in the Leadership Success and Life Transformation series, we are going to talk about the 5G rules of leadership success and life. So what are these 5Gs? The first G stands for being generous. The second G stands for be growth oriented. The third G stands for be goal oriented. The fourth G stands for achieve that greatest potential. The fifth G stands for pay gratitude. Okay, last but not least. So before coming to all the 5Gs to understand them, I would like to share few qualities of a leader, okay, which can transform your life and your basic challenges in your life. So if you have that growth mindset and abundance mindset, you will definitely make a change and make it remarkable, right? So a positive leader is always open to suggestions with abundance mindset. Leader is always able to identify the needs of others and prioritize them to help them out in need. So the leaders have a flexibility and adaptability to help turn the negative situations into the positive ones through the clear communication, clarity and transparency, and maintaining integrity and honesty as well. Leaders are self-aware and prioritize the personal as well as the professional development. Leaders focus on developing others, and leaders encourage strategic thinking, innovation and action, right? It makes sense. So these are all the qualities being a great leader. So now let us understand the generous one. So generosity is a quality that is a lot like selflessness or unselfishly helping out and reaching out to the people in need. Someone showing the generosity is happy to give them and the resources or a kindness to people in need. Generosity is a quality like honesty and patience. Alright, so be generous in helping other out. Number 2, have a growth mindset. So we can grow in 5 folds. So what are these 5 stages of growth? I have quoted them over here and listed them down. Number 1 is the foundation stage, where you have just started or begin your career, or you are just trying to learn new things. Okay. Number 2, it's the growth stage, wherein you have actually learned something and gained little experience, and you want to learn more skills and get perfection in the attained skills. Okay. The third stage is the advancement stage, wherein you have already gained the experience and exposure to new things, and you want to become an expert into those things. You want to become a subject matter expert, or you want to specialize in those qualities or in those skills, or in your development, in your technology, in your domain, in your sphere, in your area of work, or in your business. Right. Next stage is the leadership stage, which comes wherein you can embrace and help other out to reach, to provide them with the required resources and reach their ultimate potential, right? So you are enabling and facilitating as a leader to provide them all the resources, the skills, the technology, everything, so that they can nurture and they can come out as a leader. Last but not least is the mastery stage. So in the growth mindset, we have the mastery stage, wherein you need to master your domain, your area, your expertise lies. You are the master of that particular frontier. You can give the advices even in a phase of crisis, even in the face of situations wherein it's difficult to take those difficult decisions, right? So master the art of attaining that perfection, and you become the master in your work, in your profession, in your experiences, in your skills, in your mindsets, in your work and in your passions, right? Whatever you are doing in your business as well, attain that perfection. So that is the ultimate growth mindset. Third, coming to the third goals is be goal oriented. A goal or objective is an idea of the future or the desired result that a person or a group of people envision, plan and commit to achieve. So be goal oriented, always set those goals and try to achieve them. At least 80% of the goals should be completed in spite of facing the challenges for those remaining 20%. So always try to follow that Pareto principle. We'll discuss that some other time. 80-20 principle. Next is greatness. Try to achieve the greatness in your work, right? Being wonderful, superb, fabulous, bargain, the fabulous beginning, and almost impossible to be a believer and do the incredible things to achieve that greatness within you, and people look up to you as a leader, as a role model. Last but not least, pay gratitude. So the 3 types of gratitude include personal gratitude for what you receive, interpersonal gratitude towards others, and transpersonal gratitude, which may involve feeling grateful for life or a higher purpose or aim being achieved, right? So these are my 5 Gs. I hope you like it and they are going to help you out in the long run. Do like, share, follow and repost for more insights on leadership, and drop a message for leadership training, coaching, mentoring sessions ahead. See you later. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.